Welcome back to Tech Pulse. Apple spends an enormous amount of effort locking down every detail about a new iPhone before launch day, and one of its own manufacturing partners just blew a hole straight through that wall. If stories like this are the reason you're here, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe before we get into it. It genuinely helps this channel keep covering leaks like this one. Here's what actually happened. Tata Electronics, one of Apple's real manufacturing partners, got hit by a cyberattack. A group calling itself World Leaks claimed responsibility, and they didn't just grab a few files. They walked away with more than 200,000 documents, totaling over 630 gigabytes of data. All of it eventually ended up posted on the dark web, which leads nicely into the part everyone actually cares about: what's inside all of that. According to reporting on the breach, the leaked material includes photos and documents tied directly to the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro. Since Tata is involved in actually building and supplying parts for these phones, this isn't some analyst guessing based on supply chain whispers. This is material that came from inside the actual production pipeline. Now here's where I want to slow down and be careful with the word confirms, because that word gets thrown around a lot, and it usually means less than people think. Apple has said nothing publicly about this leak. Nothing here is an official Apple confirmation of design, colors, or specs. What this leak does confirm is that real documentation and real photos exist inside Apple's supply chain right now for the iPhone 18 Pro, which is a very different thing from Apple announcing anything itself. Moving on to what we already knew heading into this. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are still expected in September, following the usual yearly pattern, and they're expected to look fairly similar to last year's Pro models, with a smaller dynamic island and support for 5G connectivity over satellite among the year-over-year changes. None of that comes from this specific hack. That's been building through normal rumor channels for months already. Here's where things get interesting, though, because a supply chain breach like this one actually carries more weight than a typical rumor, precisely because of where it came from. Analyst leaks are based on relationships and guesswork about what suppliers are likely building. A direct breach of a manufacturing partner's internal files is closer to seeing the paperwork yourself. That doesn't make it official, but it does make it more credible than the average rumor you'll see floating around. And finally, the bigger picture here is honestly more interesting than any single spec. Apple works incredibly hard to keep its supply chain compartmentalized specifically, so a breach like this can't happen easily. The fact that it did happen at this scale, this close to launch, says a lot about how exposed even the most locked-down tech companies can be once a single partner gets compromised. So tell me, does a supply chain hack like this change how much you trust a leak, or does it still feel like just another rumor to you? Make sure you're subscribed to Tech Pulse with notifications on so you don't miss whatever comes out of this next. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.